We putting cases on everybody who not with us taking Greenland. 24 hours later. I'm just playing. Good afternoon. It is January 21st, 2026, and it's a Wednesday, and the market is closed and settlement is 6910 and three quarters. Trump was yapping at 8:30. Here's the 8:30 clear. So he starts yapping at Davos at 8:30. He wraps up whenever, and then at 2:27, he puts out a tweet saying, we just kidding about those tariffs with about Greenland. We kidding. We good. So today we wanted to see if they wanted contract low. And now that they have gotten, now that that story with tariffs is now over, so tomorrow we need to see if it's going to be a Thursday close by. Discount of this whole entire day is essentially contract open. So we would like to see them retest contract open to then keep going higher if that's what they want to do. So we'll see how it plays out. I mean, we have, in theory, this should be a sell to continue trying and get contract open, but we're just not going to lean that way right now. We'll wait until tomorrow to see if that's a good case. Um, so yeah, Thursday could be turn out to be a Thursday close by. It could turn out to essentially be the same narrative as, well, it's not on this contract, but let's go back. This is the tariff day, and then that's the Thursday close by right after that, and that's when we called the bottom, took out that low, and then moved higher. That could be the case here, where they get somewhere in between this range to then continue up to wherever they want to go past 7,000. So we'll see how tomorrow plays out. It's not official yet because it's not Thursday, so we'll see. The trade, how it played out was, let's go back to the actual contract. Uh, Previous day's low, so you could have just been looking at that all day and waited until this move happened. And then this is that December Friday low that we were also looking at. I mean, obviously, if it was going to take previous day's low, it was bound to take that as well. So uh, it just chopped up in between there. Market opens here, and it soups the session low, goes to the high, well, the open essentially, yeah, the previous session high, retraces one more time. I think it goes to the lower quadrant. Yes, it wicks off the lower quadrant to a tick. Beautiful stuff there. And then in the day, as you can see, I was looking to see if they would reject the session low for PM. They did. They shift. They chop around the order block here at 12:12 during lunch. I think I'm not. Yeah, let me log in real quick. Yep. Yeah, I took it. Yeah, I tried to buy here. Wasn't it? Got out here. And yeah, I tried to. I think I took a sell here. Got stopped out. And then I was like, okay, let's treat this as a shift. And then Trump tweets on Truth Social, and it takes me out at that high, and that's it for the day. Yeah, you could have gotten that put afterwards, but no, just no. So yeah, let's see how Thursday plays out. On ES now, Bitcoin also did its thing at 227 at the Trump tweet. And this is how we look on the daily. We now have this fair value gap here. It'll probably close around here in the next few minutes. So that fair value gap there. Want to see if they now we want to see if they want to reject off of this buy level that we were also looking at. Obviously, Bitcoin is a buy and hold that you just go for. Now, a buy and hold, gold. Gold has always been a buy and hold for me. Around here, I found some gold on the floor. Like I think around here or here, I found some gold on the floor, and I was like, oh, okay, great, I'm holding gold. I'm holding gold. So whatever it is, whatever price it was like one something when I found it. That's what I got it appraised for at the time. Who knows what it's at right now? But yeah, this is something that you should just be buying and looking away from. Well, I think I started trading as a graduate of college around here. And I've always just viewed it as a buy and hold. There's no way. It's something. It's just something that it's always going to be a buy and hold here. You can see all that volume enter here in March 2022. It's that low of the year. This is a yearly low that soups off of, so that could have been your continuation there. Um, I'm not really into intraday trading gold. It's just not something I want to do. Mainly because I just don't like the futures of gold. And I don't think I have. It's on Comex, and I just don't think I care enough to trade to intraday trade it. Like I think the daily it does it through Asia as well, but trying to do it during New York is kind of a pain because all of the price action has already happened during Asia. So if you like trading gold during if you like trading Asia that time frame, you could trade gold because see how it goes for it there. That's the start of a week. See what it does there? It just swoop chops and then just takes everybody out during New York and then just gaps up the next day. Not It's not really something for me. Let's keep looking at it. Does it again here. That's a Sunday, Monday. Then it chops for the rest of the week. Then waits till Friday to really deliver past the high. It's not something for me. You know, if it's for you, you know, back test it, but it's just not for me. It's just a buy and hold. It's the same thing with Bitcoin. I'm only interested in buying and holding that and calling it a day. But yeah, let's see if essentially tomorrow, we need to see if it's going to be a Thursday close by. So, so if we close within the range here on a down close, that's a good I, that's a good idea to try for. All right, you have a blessed day.